Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are on the border between Umbria and Lazio. And we are about to tour together a wonderful agriturismo, which is on an elevated position with a beautiful view on the countryside surrounding this place. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. This estate is currently working as an agriturismo. All of the guests can enjoy the services of this place and its natural products, all produced inside the property. The property has 50 olive trees, perfect to produce your own olive oil. It then also has 150 square meters of barn, ideal to keep all of the animals that you like, for example, cows, pigs, and ducks. The property is also surrounded by a total of 18.5 hectares of land, 11.5 of which are arable land, and the remaining portions are covered in grazing land, mixed woodland, and fruit orchard. A short distance from the complex, in a hidden position, we find a huge warehouse of about 1,200 square meters, used to shelter tools and vehicles used in the farming business. It is currently in the works of a project to install on the roof of this building a photovoltaic system to make the property completely independent. We are also very well positioned not too far from airports, with Roma Ciampino and Fiumicino just over an hour away. Right in front of the main country house, we have this beautiful 14 by 7 meters swimming pool with a jacuzzi corner over there, and all around there is this huge terrace completely made out of turf stone, which is a local stone, and it is ideal to relax and enjoy the sun right in front of this view. Right beside the swimming pool is where we find the restaurant of the property. Very spacious, in fact it is about 260 square meters. The building has been restored, maintaining a typical Italian style with the wooden beams and a huge fireplace. The building is also equipped with a large professional kitchen and 2 service washrooms. Before we have a closer look at the heart of the property, the countryside on my left, let's first talk about the 3 large wooden homes on that side of the property. There is where all of the staff members of the estate stay and live, and they are about 120 square meters each, divided into 2 apartments. Each unit is 60 square meters with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The beautiful country house right behind me is dating back to the 1800s, and it was owned in the past by the Marchesi Pellegrini. It is completely made out of bricks and local stone, and it's been recently fully restored. Let's start and have a look inside, starting from the ground floor with the wellness center. The spa is brand new, and as we walk by the reception area at the entrance, we get straight away into the wellness center with, on my left, this jacuzzi with even a waterfall. On this side we have these 2 beds to sit down and relax, a view on the countryside, Over there is a fireplace, and through this door we get to the emotional shower, and on the right there is a sauna. The wellness center is then of course equipped with a bathroom and 2 showers. The ground floor we've just seen is then completed by several storage spaces. The house is 400 square meters in total. Let's now go up these steps and get to the first floor with a few of the bedrooms. Let's go inside. As soon as we walk inside, I can't help but notice the terracotta floor everywhere. This atrium straight away leads us to the 3 bedrooms of this floor, each one with its ensuite bathroom. Before we get to the tower of the home, let's have a closer look at the bedrooms of the second floor. They are 3, and this is my favorite. And have a look at this beautiful 360 degrees view from on top of the tower. The owners told me that this space is dedicated to couples that would love to have a romantic dinner with a beautiful view. I think this property would either be suitable to be converted into a private residence, but it would also be a convenient option for someone that would love to run a hospitality business, live in touch with nature in front of a gorgeous view. I hope you like this property, and one last thing before I leave you is to please subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!